Hi, my name is Mabel Ama O. Andres, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step installation of SSH server and web services, Apache, MySQL, PHP, using Ubuntu server, and perform the SSH server services and web server services test using the host operating system. First, I'm installing the Ubuntu server version 22.04.1 LTS. After successfully installing the Ubuntu server, let's start installing the SSH server. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a network communication protocol that enables two computers to communicate, HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the protocol used to transfer hypertext such as web pages, and share data. An inherent feature of SSH is that the communication between the two computers is encrypted, which is suitable for use on insecure networks. How do I use SSH? You use a program on your computer, SSH client, to connect to our server, and transfer the data to, from the storage using either a graphical user interface or a command line. There are many programs available that enable you to perform this transfer, and some operating systems such as Mac OS X and Linux have this capability built in. Next, let's install Apache. Apache is the most commonly used web server on Linux systems. Web servers are used to serve web pages requested by client computers. Clients typically request and view web pages using web browser applications such as Firefox, Opera, Chromium, or Internet Explorer. Next, let's install MySQL. MySQL is an Oracle-backed open-source relational database management system, RDBMS, based on structured query language, SQL. MySQL runs on virtually all platforms, including Linux, Unix and Windows. Although it can be used in a wide range of applications, MySQL is most often associated with web applications and online publishing. Next, let's install PHP. PHP is an open-source server-side scripting language which originally stood for Personal Homepage, now stands for PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, which is a recursive acronym. It is a cross-platform scripting language which is highly influenced by C, C++ and Java. Now, let's do a testing performance of SSH server services by turning off the server and starting and checking the status in between. You need to restart SSH service every time you make any changes to the sshd_config file by running this command, sudo service ssh restart. Now, let's do a testing performance of web server services. Starting with the Apache and display the HTML that I made. To display the HTML, install the links in this command. Sudo apt-get install links. And enter the link and Ctrl-G and input the link. http://127.0.0.1/index.html. And it will display the HTML web page. Now let's do a testing performance in the PHP service to know if it's running. Just like in HTML, the command nanotest.php to make a PHP web page. And then run in the links with the same way on how we run the HTML. To change the MySQL root password, you first need to shut down the MySQL server using the command sudo systemctl/mysql.service. And check the status of the MySQL server to verify using the command sudo systemctl/mysql.service. To start the MySQL server without granting the tables and networking check, set the environment variable mysqld_opts which MySQL uses on startup. After setting the environment variable mysqld_opts, start the MySQL service now using the command sudo systemctl restart mysql.service. You can now log into the MySQL root account without a password using the command sudo mysql uroot. Now, flush the privileges first and run the following command, flush privileges. Select the MySQL database. Replace your with your own. Next, let's do it. After changing the password, first of all, kill all the processes of MySQL before even restarting the MySQL server. Now, restart the MySQL server using the command sudo systemctl status mysql.service. Now, log into the MySQL shell with your newly set password. And when you log in means you successfully change the password. That's all. The SSH server services and web server services are successfully installed and perfectly run. Thank you for watching.